Earn money online by just watching videos with these brand new sources that I'll share with you in today's video. They are absolutely free to join, worldwide available, and pay you in PayPal money. In order to make them work properly, you just need a PayPal account, an internet connection, and the will to make money online. Also follow me step by step until the end of this video so you can get the desired results. But just before we start, of course, let me remind you that if you haven't already and you are new to this channel, just subscribe to Aiden Emia's World with notifications on if you want to get notified each time I upload brand new strategies just like these ones on how to make money online, and you can be one of the first to use them and that way make the most money. Also, if you like this type of content, you can as well leave this video a thumbs up, a comment down below, and share it with your friends too. Without any further ado, I'm going to start right away with this tutorial so I can show you every single step, and stay tuned until the end because I'm going to share with you multiple sources and you can get easily lost and confused. So the very first step is to come over to the first platform for today, which is called Zoombucks. This is over at zoombucks.com. As you can see, you can earn cash by completing surveys, watching videos, and doing offers. You can join for absolutely free by putting your email address, a password, confirm the password, and click on the sign up now button. Or you can even sign up with your Facebook account or Google account because it is a lot faster and easier. So by scrolling down, you're going to see how it works. As you can notice, advertisers want engagements for their surveys, products, and services, so they come over to Zoombucks to ask for that. So Zoombucks recruits members just like you. They find members that are willing to get paid by completing various actions, and you're going to do the online activities that we mentioned even before and get paid with cash and gift cards. Down here you can just give a look to all of the rewards that they offer. You can click on see all rewards and you can notice that they pay you through PayPal money, also Microsoft Store code, Xbox gift cards, Amazon gift cards, PlayStation gift cards, Pokemon Go coins, and so on and so forth. There are a lot of rewards that you can choose from. And by scrolling a little bit further, you're going to see the live feed of people getting paid in real time through their preferred payment method or preferred reward, and also from anywhere in the world, from Spain, Belgium, Brazil, United Kingdom, Germany, and so on. So you can just join from anywhere in the world. You can even check out the reviews from Trustpilot. You're going to notice that they got like more than 700 of reviews with 4.7 stars, which is excellent, actually very positive reviews. So with that said, guys, this was the first platform for today that I wanted to mention. This platform has been around since 2012, and it shows that it is a legit one because it has been around for 10 years now, and you know that most of the scam websites disappear after a short period of time. Right now I'm going to proceed to the second one, which is called GG2U.org. So with this platform you can earn rewards for taking surveys, playing games, watching videos, just like I mentioned before that is going to be our focus, and many more. You can choose to get paid through PayPal, Bitcoin, and gift cards. So even this one pays you in PayPal money, just like I promised you, and they also give you a $1 sign-up bonus. You can just put your first name, an email address, a username, a password, and your country. You're going to notice that it is available anywhere in the world. So then agree to the privacy policy and membership agreement and click on the sign up for GG2U. You can see here that there are some easy ways for you to earn, just like we mentioned before. You can even sign up at sites, install apps, play games, and you can earn extra while you are playing video games or by just playing some videos on the background or your phone or your computer. So it's very easy that some new members can earn enough for their first payout within minutes of join. You can see that you can get paid by even promoting this platform. By bringing new members to this platform, you can get paid 5% of their money for every referral forever, which is pretty great actually. Just get your referral code and share it with people that you think that are interested in using this platform to make money. And you can see once again that it is available internationally, just like I mentioned before. I want to mention actually that this platform also has some reviews on Trustpilot, more than 900 of reviews with 4.1 stars, and they offer an app on Google Play Store, so it's only available for Android devices. This one here, it's called GG2U Earn Rewards, and they got more than 10,000 of downloads and 3.7 stars. So you can give it a try. You can see which one works best for you, the app version or the website version. With that said, guys, I'm going to proceed to the last platform for today called Swagbucks. This is over at swagbucks.com. you can just put cash back in your wallet, and you can join for absolutely free by putting an email address, a password, and confirm the password, and click on the sign up now button, or you can just sign up with your Google account and Facebook account if you want to. This platform has been seen on BuzzFeed, Save the Student, Penny Harder, ABC, and the Huffington Post, which shows that this is a legit platform, and also it has a lot of potential. You can get free gift cards and cash for the everyday things that you do online. You're going to earn some points that you can then redeem for rewards like Amazon gift cards and even money from PayPal. You can play videos, search the web, answer surveys, shop online, and even watch videos. Actually, you're going to see it on your dashboard once you create your account. They have paid to their members more than 770 million of dollars, which is pretty crazy, and also they give out like 7,000 of free gift cards every single day. You can even check out here the reviews from Trustpilot, and it shows that they got more than 28,000 of reviews with 4.3 stars, and this is a verified company according to Trustpilot, so it's absolutely legit. And I want to mention actually that Swagbucks also offers an app on App Store and Google Play Store as well. You can check out here on App Store if you are an iOS user. They got 4.4 stars out of more than 77,000 of ratings, which shows how popular this platform is. You can just read some features over here and also the reviews. Also here on Google Play Store, it's called Swagbucks, and they got more than 5 million of downloads and also 4.3 stars reviews out of more than 103,000 of reviews. So once again, it is a very loved platform and also very popular as well. So you can even check out here that you can get free gift cards and cash. They have members have earned more than $470 million, and of course you can just take service, you can shop online and get cash back, discover new offers, receive bonuses as well. So you can take a look how this app is going to look like. By clicking on about this app, you can even read some other features as well. As you can see, for each of the ways that you can get paid, they offer some features and explanation how you're going to do that. And I want to mention that once you join this platform today, you can even get $10 welcome bonus, which is a very nice addition actually. And of course, you can just read all of the other things as well to see how much money you can make and also the rewards that you can get from this platform. So with that said, guys, this was the last platform for today. I highly recommend it. Even for this one, you can just check out the app version and the website version and see what works best for you. If you want to make the most money, of course, you need to try all of these three sources that I mentioned in today's video, so you can of course maximize your results. Since they all pay you in PayPal money, you can just open one PayPal account and just accumulate all of your earnings there and see your balance growing again and again. With that said, guys, this is it for today's video. If you like it, make sure to give a thumbs up, leave a comment down below, and don't forget to subscribe to Aiden and Mia's World with notifications on. Thank you for watching, and I'm going to see you in the next tutorial with a brand new strategy.